y'all. As a former hairstylist and someone whose favorite color is pink, I was super excited to get this in the mail today from Tideway. Let's go check this blow dryer out. Let's open it up. Guys, oh my gosh. I am so excited. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I'm in love. I am in love. This is called a concentrator. It's magnetic. Magnetic. Y'all, I was a hairstylist for over 16 years. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Your diffuser, magnetic as well. And we have our Tideway ping pong ball that we will use in a minute. And then you also have, you can hang it on the wall. What did they not think of? Also, your lint trap down here, you can clean it out easily because this is also magnetic. I'm gonna go wash my hair really quick and then let's try this thing out. Guys, let's check this out. It has a medium and high setting. It's 8:38. We're going to see how long this takes. It does have the color changes on here. It's on the temperature. So we're going to use for red, which is the hottest. I'm going to blow dry this and I'll be right back. It's 8:38. Let's see how. 8:43. So 5 minutes to dry my hair. I love this, guys. Also, this has a hot, warm, cold, and it has a hot, warm cycle. So you can choose the high setting, hot, you can do warm, you can do cold, or you can choose the setting that is a cycle between the hot and the warm. So go check it out.